All right, we are back and we are closing in on those 100 subs. So let's open the second of 3 tins. This is the Galarian Zapdos, and one of you can win it. 100 subs. As soon as we hit 100 subs, I will post a video on what you need to do to be entered, and we will give some stuff away. So far in the giveaway pile, we're gonna have the choice of each of the birds. So here's the Moltres, there's the Zapdos, we have the Articuno as well, you'll get to pick. And also in the giveaways, we have this beautiful Mew set up, ready to go. So right now we're gonna be giving away at least 2 cards. We'll see what some of the other pulls are. Maybe we'll give away more. And as always, we give away the codes. So, let's take a look at the Zapdos. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Zapdos is ready to go. And here's your code card. Okay. So, you got 5 packs. Rounding up. Beep, 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 beep. Perfect, beautiful. The Zapdos will stick you up there because you're technically a hit, even though we had you. All right, and let's get cracking. 5 packs to open, 100 subscribers to get in to start the giveaways, and we're gonna try and give away quite a bit of Pokemon here. Let's see what the pulls are. First tin was nice. We had a couple of packs with quite a few hits. Ooh, a V-Star. And a code card. Look at that. Oh, good start, good start, good start. 1 pack, 1 hit. Can't be upset with that, can you? Get the switch. Tangela. Boltoy. Ooh, a turn. What's a V? And our code card. Another hit. Beautiful card, too. My goodness. Pokemon does it well. 3 packs to go. Let's see what we got here. Grubbin. Woo! And no hit. Oh, a Snorlax, though. Look at that art. That's weird. That art is freaking me out. That art is freaking me out. I don't know if I like it. Lost Vacuum. There's the code. All right, Ghost Moss, everybody. Let's see. Got the Galarian Meowth. Welmer. Shinx. Corphish, and we do have a hit here. Character rare, Riolu. It's like a hefty line, it looks like. Oh no, it's like a star. Yeah, looks like a printer line. Luxury, Energy, Great Ball, Sharp, and the Graveler, and a code. All right, so I know we're getting there, guys, but we need 100 subs. So drop the sub. You'll be entered in the giveaways if you're subscribed. And don't miss out on tin number 3, which is our Articuno tin. And that is coming up next. And if we have 100 subs, we're going to start the giveaways on the Pokemon, which I know you guys want. So let's just get to 100, start giving these cards away. Ooh. Wow. And a V. Shaman code card. I have not seen something like a Deese before. Ooh. Eternus. Beautiful, beautiful card. Look at that. Man, Pokemon does it good. All right, let's review the hits. Radiant, which is beautiful. Green Dent V. Riolu character. Hatterene VMAX. Another nice card, good texture on there. A Ziora V-Star. And our promo Zapdos. So let's review the giveaways right now. Bring them in. We're giving away this Mew character rare so far. We're giving away one of these birds. You get to pick the bird you get. So Articuno will be in one of the giveaways too, but you get to pick which one you want. All right, and we got an additional one here with the Mew. Thanks everybody for watching. We're getting close. 100 subs means we're giving away cards. These cards to be exact. So let's get to 100. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys for the last 10.